Fred, can I ask you what you're doing? Fred, why are you staring at the TV with like your nose pressed up against it? It's not even on. Fred? Psst, psst, psst. Freddy. Hi. Baby boy. Hi.